How to add a house business location name in Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add your name in your locations. It may be your house, your office, your workplace, school, anything. You can just customize it. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to tap on that like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing is you need to have your maps on your device. You may just download it from Google Play Store if you don't have it and open it. Make sure you have turned on your location. After turning it on, you will be able to see this contribute option. I want you to tap on this contribute option here, and here you will be able to see the very first option called add place. Just tap on this option. It may take a few seconds for it to load. And here you need to provide your place name, category, and address. So the very first thing is your place name. You may write your place name whatever you want. I'm gonna name it my office for now. And category. Choose your category. I'm gonna choose the office and industrial. And choose the corporate office. After that, track your address, or you may just manually enter your address. I'm gonna enter you need to enter a valid address. After that, you need to enter located within. I'm gonna enter the area I'm in right now. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see this hours option. Since we're opening an office, you may choose the hours of your office, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If your office is closed or not, you may customize it accordingly. Edit all the hours, edit Monday to Friday, edit Saturday to Sunday, and add a photo of that place for it to make it convenient for other people to know about it, and tap on save. After that, you may enter your contact number and your website name as well to make it more convenient, and the photos of that place, and tap on submit. After tapping on submit, confirm it, and your location will be available to other people just by doing that. So therefore, in this way, you can name your office or any other place in Google Maps by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.